smaller temple here in Thailand, but we're freshly armed. Apparently the monkeys here can be a bit aggressive, so we were given bamboo sticks to potentially scare off the monkeys. But yeah, beautiful old ruins, very small, also very affordable. 50 baht entrance fee, but monkeys everywhere. Compared to the complex in Sukhothai, this is of course ridiculously small, but it's still a really beautiful temple, and some of the carvings here are really beautiful. But the absolute highlight is definitely the monkeys. The amount of monkeys here at the temple is quite large, but yeah, so far they have been peaceful. They didn't attack us or anything. I wouldn't recommend walking around with a banana, but aside from that, seems to be all good.
It is also possible to enter the temple. Inside you will find beds and a few damaged statues. Even with this old and damaged temple, people seem to still come here and pray. One thing that I found really odd but at the same time fascinating is how the monkeys are living right inside the city. There's even a monkey feeding area right around the corner and a small set of different ruins. The entire feeding area features a few cool monkey-themed graffitis.
There's also a small complex right next to it. It's maybe not that exciting. It's fallen into a complete state of disrepair. But personally, I still find it still fascinating.
Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.